Have her sit down right here.
Hey, Mom, sit down right here. Sit down.
Don't fall in the water.
Yep, just sit down and fight him.
Just sit down on the reel.
We lost Mom and the pole.
Don't lose the pole. Realize as he's going towards it, reel.
Yep. Oh,
it's
I'm not sure. That if this is a red, it's gonna be a freaking jumbo.
Oh,
Mine isn't. I
Here,
have fish on.
here, you could get that. Look.
Come on, you sucker.
it's coming.
He's tired.
You got the net, bud. You got him.
Here, Lori. Lori, hold this.
He's videoing.
I got it. Just reel, Mom. Lori.
I'm getting fish on.
Oh, take it off. Then.
Oh! Oh!
It's running, Mom.
Oh, he's going to the boat.
It's not gonna go. He's gonna turn the boat if it goes that way. You're all right. When he stops running, you reel up though, okay? And reel back down.
Be the right one. Be the right one.
We haven't seen it.
Johnny?
Hold this. Oh,
No, he's going right. No, he's not.
there he
Oh!
goes. Big red. Big red. Big red, Mom. You got him.
Just do it. Just stop reeling.
Big red, Mom.
Okay, stop.
Yeah! All right, Mom.
Oh,
Good job, Mom. All right. There you go.
holy shit!
There you go.
Woo!
Nice
That's
red.
gonna come out
Nice
here,
red.
right here.
Look at that red, Mom. That's a bull. That's a bull red. Nice
Yeah,
job.
Just above. I mean, let's see, we got him hooked.
That's a bull red, Mom. Nice job. Definitely get a picture of him and.
Oh yeah, he is fine. You just keep. I think we're on anchor. Yeah, we're on. Yeah, we're on anchor.
I think it's spot locked, yeah.
Huh?
So I think it's spot locked.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, this is a fat one. He's not that long.
That's a good bull red, Mom. Nice job. Didn't even swallow the bait.
He wasn't even hooked that well. I mean, like, he's just carrying that
Yeah.
little.
That's all it usually is.
Good people get good fish. That's the way it is.
We'll get a nice picture with it, Mom.
Oh yeah, I got a holder.
There you go. That's a red there.
That's a
Look
real
at that.
one.
Kept the bait.
Yep. Hey.
Bro.
See? Use that bait again. The sheep's head will tear that up. Oh,
He's still green. I got him. All right, Mom. Come stand up here.
hold it, Mom.
Oh, come stand up in the front.
Nice. That's a nice red, Mom.
That'd be fun.
You got a good picture?
Well,
That's a pretty one. We'll measure him up.
There you go. Nice one, Mom.
You're gonna have to send
That's
me
a beautiful.
picture, okay?
Yep, we'll text you one.
tag you on
Let's see how
Facebook,
big he
right?
is.
Mom will be
Here,
Facebook famous.
give me-
He's still green.
He's still fresh to get out. Yep.
28 and a half.
There you go, Mom. That's a bull red in Louisiana. Nice job. That's a fat one too at 28 and a half.
You got him over there.
There you go. You got him. I didn't do any of the hard part's getting him in.
Come on, turn.
He'll turn. He's fine. He's fine. Nice job, Mom. Oh
These
yeah.
will bite the hell out of you.
Look at that little.
Ready?
That's cool.
Oh.
There he goes.